Welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today we have this beautiful, beautiful Trans Am that we're going to be looking at. Tip to rear, 1979. Love the SE decals. Thing is gorgeous. The thing that I noticed the first time I saw this car was just how clean the paint is. I mean, look at that. You can see me. I mean, it's almost mirror perfect. It's very, very close to show quality paint. She's definitely still a good driver, but the paint on it is just fantastic. Deep, vibrant, absolutely gorgeous. All your panel gaps look great. Just overall super straight car. Very fresh, runs great, as you'll see in the other video. Power brakes, power steering, factory AC, 6.6. I mean, it's a really, really quality build that I think you can see. Interior to me looks virtually original, which I think is really cool. Inlays look beautiful, your dash looks beautiful, 4-speed. The only thing that I have seen that is an upgrade, obviously, is gonna be that Bluetooth radio in there. But just a very, very pretty vehicle. It's gorgeous. All right, here we are driving. Power steering feels incredible. Car feels very smooth. Shifting very good. AC blows nice and cold. Looks like I got a unhooked speedometer, no big deal. It's something we can easily address. Radio works. Beautiful car though. I mean, it just drives fantastic. Huge fan of these. Shifting smooth, clutch doesn't have any chatter. Synchros all feel good as well. And she gets up and moves. So all in all, very impressed. It's a great build. Let's go ahead and get back to the shop and we'll get up in the air.